primer is locked, master on, circuits are good, carb heat is hot, mixture is rich, fuel
Lima
cycle valve is
Sierra
on
Oscar Tower, wind 350 at 13, gusting 19, clear touch and go runway 33.
Now we're going to say clear touch and go 33, Lima Sierra Oscar.
clear touch and go 33, Mr. Oscar.
Lima Sierra Oscar Tower, right-hand circuit after departure.
Yep.
Right hand circuit after departure, Mr. Oscar. So, happy lights are saying I'm high.
Yep.
I'll say hi back. Best dad joke of the day.
Yeah.
Apron 3 right there?
Everything, yep.
Interesting. Right by
So
diamond.
when you see the diamonds
Yeah.
at the Diamond Flight School, that's apron 3.
And we should have a heist here, eh? Get,
Yeah.
get some diamonds, become
Yeah.
rich. What kind of diamonds we're talking about?
Yeah.